Today I'm out here with my 04 GMC Sierra, and I also have a 2005 GMC Sierra half-ton for parts. Looks like these headrests have been replaced at one time. They've got vinyl headrests on them. The other truck has some better ones. I'll get them out. And the parts truck, I've taken the seat completely out. So here's the headrest that I want. And these things are quite easy to take out. So if you can see right there, there's a little hole in the side. And the other side is the same. It has a little hole in that clip there. So what you need to do is find something that'll fit into that hole, and you'll be able to feel that it pushes a little clip in. And the passenger side one, it has this hump right here, so I couldn't get my screwdriver tool in there, and I just got a piece of bent coat hanger, pushed it into that hole. Up it goes. That's as far as it can go. And then well, this is what I used on the other side here. So you should be able to feel it click, and then you can feel that this is coming out part way, and you hold that there and push that one, out it comes, and back in is even easier, and that's it. Clips in and it's stuck.